Can you read this sentence? I will lead the team, but I need a pencil made of lead. Confused? That's the magic of homographs. Let's find out what they are. Homographs are words that are spelled the same but have different meanings. For example, bed can mean an animal or a piece of sports equipment. Let's look at a few more. In the first picture, it's a leader, a person who guides or manages others, often in a team or organization. In the second picture, it's a metal, lead, a heavy, soft green metal often used in batteries and oil pipes. Again, in the first picture, it's an animal, bird, a flying mammal that is active at night. In the second picture, it's a long stick used to hit a ball in games like baseball or cricket. In this first picture, someone is tearing a paper, a rip, or split made by pulling something apart like paper. In the second picture, it's a tear, a drop of liquid that comes from the eye, often from emotion or irritation. So next time you see a word that makes you pause, check if it's a homograph, because they keep English fun and tricky.